Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to run payroll automatically on Gusto Payroll. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who may have just signed up with Gusto. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll get a $100 Visa gift card sent to you. Now, in order to make sure that your payroll is set to autopilot or automatically run, all you've got to do is log on to Gusto, click on Pay on the left-hand side. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way up to where it says Settings. Next, scroll down. And then where it says Payroll and Autopilot, let's click on Edit. And then from here, scroll down more. And then you can see that the Payroll and Autopilot is set to On. You want to make sure that it's set to On. If it's set to Off, click on Edit and then make sure that this is toggled on. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and run payroll automatically on Gusto Payroll. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.